All right, welcome to the channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Douglas Habian. That is my real name. Take a look at my channel. There's other videos. I have a channels tab here that will connect you to other channels and videos that I've done in the past. And check out my Facebook page. I got a very interesting story, and if you learn a little bit more about me, you will I think you will find it a very good read. I do not work in this industry at present moment, though I hope to in the near future. I am just somebody who's in love with Linux. I do have a couple of certifications, and I want to give back to the community by doing video content creation. So picking up where we left off in the last video, we were testing out Dragon OS. We installed it to a USB stick, running it live. Now in this video, we are going to do the same thing with Parrot OS. Parrot OS is another wonderful Linux distribution that we can install and boot from a USB stick. I'm on the home page here at parrotsec.org, and they have some really nice documentation. There are various images that we can download and install depending on what we are doing and what we are doing it on. So you can run Parrot OS in the cloud. You can run it on a Raspberry Pi. You can run it in a virtual machine, etc. But for what we're doing, we are dealing with a USB stick. Now there's two main choices that we have. We have the Security Edition and we have the Home Edition. The Security Edition is going to be a bigger image, has a lot more tools and so forth on it, and that's going to basically come with all of your quote-unquote hacking tools, red team tools, and so forth. So we'll look at that in a different episode, but this episode right here, we're actually going to be installing the Home Edition. So it's a little more slimmed down. It says the Parrot Home Edition is a general purpose operating system with the typical Parrot look and feel. This edition is designed for daily use, privacy, and software development. Parrot tools can be manually installed to assemble a custom and lightweight pen testing environment. It is available for AMD 64 architectures and also in OVA format and for UTM Apple Silicon. Now I've already downloaded this to avoid making the video longer than it needs to be, but if you were going to download this, you would come right to this page right here, and once again we're downloading and installing the Parrot OS Home Edition, and I would click on the download tab right here. I'm not going to do that. However, you can also download it in the form of a torrent, but I'm not doing that neither. I will click on the check hashes tab, and it'll bring you to this page right here. I'm going to click Control-Alt to select all and Control-C to copy, and then I will open up a terminal and I will paste those hashes inside of a file, and I'll just call it hashes.txt, excuse me, nano hashes.txt, and we will get to that either in this video or the next video as to what we plan on using those for. So back here on the page, I go back, we are downloading the Home Edition, and we grab the hashes as well. So I click on download, and it gives me the options here. Do I want to download the ISO for AMD 64 VirtualBox or the UTM Apple Silicon? We're putting this on a USB stick. We are going to choose ISO AMD 64. If I click on that, it'll go ahead and start the download. Now I already have this, so once again, I'm not going to waste our time in letting it actually download. So that is how you would go about that. Now, from this same page, you can get access